After years of staying almost unchanged, the Suzuki RM-Z450 is finally getting the attention riders have been asking for. The 2027 model brings meaningful upgrades aimed at improving handling, performance, and overall ride quality. But is it enough to compete with the latest bikes from Honda, Yamaha, KTM, and Kawasaki? Let's find out. For years, the RM-Z450 earned a reputation for its predictable handling and reliable engine, but many riders felt it was falling behind its rivals. Instead of a complete redesign, Suzuki focused on improving the areas that matter most on the track. The biggest news is the switch to an all-new KYB suspension package. With new KYB forks and a matching rear shock, the 2027 RM-Z450 promises better bump absorption, improved stability, and increased traction in rough conditions. This is easily the most significant upgrade on the new bike. Suzuki has also redesigned the air intake system to improve airflow into the engine. The result is quicker throttle response, smoother power delivery, and stronger acceleration out of corners. It's not about adding huge horsepower numbers, it's about making the power easier to use. The bike now comes with lightweight RK-XL rims that help reduce rotating mass while improving durability. Combined with updates to the upper triple clamp, riders can expect more precise steering and greater confidence when attacking corners. Suzuki has also fitted a new exhaust silencer that meets the latest AMA and FIM sound regulations while maintaining strong performance. And of course, the Suzuki MX-Tuner 4.0 app returns, allowing riders to fine-tune engine mapping directly from their smartphone without needing extra hardware. So, is this finally the RM-Z450 riders have been waiting for? While it isn't an all-new motorcycle, these upgrades address some of the biggest complaints from previous models. Better suspension, improved throttle response, updated chassis components, and modern tuning features make the 2027 RM-Z450 a much stronger contender in the highly competitive 450 motocross class. What do you think? Is the 2027 Suzuki RM-Z450 finally ready to challenge the Honda CRF450R, Yamaha YZ450F, KTM 450SXF, and Kawasaki KX450? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle news and first looks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.